Unlocking the mystery, hang on to every word. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language. Hang on to every word. This expression is a gem in both casual and formal English conversations, and understanding it can significantly enhance your language skills. So, let's get started and unfold the layers of this intriguing phrase together. The phrase, hang on to every word, is a vivid idiom used to describe a situation where someone is listening very attentively to what another person is saying. Imagine hanging on to something tightly. Now, apply that imagery to listening, where every word spoken by someone is caught and held onto by the listener. This expression paints a picture of deep engagement and interest in the spoken words. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from everyday conversations to literary descriptions. It's perfect for scenarios where you want to express admiration for the speaker's eloquence or the importance of their message. For example, you can say, "I hung on to every word of the keynote speaker," to convey how captivating the speech was for you. It's also a great way to describe intense conversations or moments when the information being shared is crucial. For instance, during the meeting, everyone hung on to every word of the CEO, demonstrates the significance of the CEO's message to the audience. 1. In admiration. I always hang on to every word when my grandfather tells stories of his youth. 2. In a learning environment. The students hung on to every word of the professor, eager to understand the complex theory. 3. In suspenseful storytelling. The audience hung on to every word, as the detective began to unveil the identity of the culprit. And